Tiko, Magic Tales.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to Coco Magic Tales. Today, I have a wonderful story for you about friendship, teamwork, and a little magic too. So sit back, get cozy, and let your imagination sparkle. Because this story is called The Melody of Togetherness. Are you ready? Let's begin. In the heart of a lush, green forest, where sunlight danced through emerald leaves and tiny streams hummed sweet tunes, lived four inseparable friends: Riley the rabbit, Tiko the squirrel, Mimi the bird, and Frodo the frog. Every morning, they played together beneath the tall trees, racing, singing, and helping one another gather food. No one in the forest dared to trouble them, because everyone knew, when these four stood together, they were unstoppable. Their laughter filled the air, and their friendship made the whole forest feel alive. But one cloudy morning, something strange happened. The wind grew cold, and the earth began to tremble. A huge boulder was rolling down from the mountain, crashing through trees and rocks. The friends gasped. They looked at one another, scared but brave. Without wasting a moment, they joined paws, wings, and hands, and pushed with all their strength. The boulder slowed, stopped, and finally settled before it could crush their homes. The forest cheered. They had done it, together. But as days passed, pride began to sneak in quietly. Riley thought, "I was the one who pushed hardest." Tycho said, "No, I found the strongest branch." Mimi fluttered her wings angrily. "I sang to keep you all brave." And poor Frodo sighed, "Can't we just be friends again?" Soon, the laughter disappeared. They stopped talking. Each built a small house far from the others. The forest that once sang with joy fell silent. Then, one stormy night, the skies burst open with lightning and rain. And from the same mountain, the big boulder came loose again, roaring louder than before. Mimi tried to stop it with her tiny wings. Riley kicked at it with all her might. Tycho hurled nuts in frustration, and Frodo croaked desperately for help. But they were all alone. The boulder didn't stop. It kept rolling, faster and faster. Just as hope was fading, a soft golden glow filled the sky. From the mist appeared a beautiful butterfly, its wings shimmering like sunlight on water. It spoke in a calm, musical voice. "The forest listens to harmony. When hearts sing together, even mountains can move." The friends looked at one another, their eyes full of tears. They realized what they had lost, their togetherness. Riley took Tycho's hand. Tycho smiled and called Mimi. Frodo hopped close and whispered, "Let's sing again, like before." And together, they sang. Their voices blended like a rainbow of sound, warm, bright, and full of love. The forest began to glow. Leaves shimmered. The wind danced. And slowly, the big boulder began to tremble. Then stop. It cracked open softly, revealing a tiny glowing seed. They planted it in the earth, and right before their eyes, it grew into a tall, golden tree with leaves that shimmered like music notes. That tree became the tree of harmony, a symbol of their friendship. Every animal in the forest came to sit beneath its branches and listen to the gentle song it sang. A song that whispered, "Alone we are small, but together we are strong." And from that day on, Riley, Tycho, Mimi, and Frodo never argued again. They laughed, played, and helped one another, because they knew the melody of togetherness would always keep their hearts connected. And that's the story of the Melody of Togetherness. Remember, my friends, when we work together, share, and care for each other, we can stop even the biggest boulders in our lives. So always stay kind, stay united, and keep your heart full of friendship. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coco Magic Tales for more magical adventures full of kindness, courage, and wonder. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see how a clever crow made it rain with kindness and courage, check out the full story, link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more magical tales.